Hello to all my dear friends. Today the topic that I am going to deal is water resources, class 10 geography. When we talk about water resources, it is essential for us to know that how much actually water is available for us. And when we look into the globe, we find that most of the part of the globe is covered with water. Total water availability on the earth, if suppose it is 100%, 97% exists in these oceans. This ocean water, which is 97%, is not of much use to human beings. So, what is left with us is just 3%, and out of that 3% also 70% lies in the ice caps and in the glaciers. So, again we are left with very less water. But what is one positive point regarding this resource is that it is a renewable resource. Renewable resource, how does water becomes a renewable resource? Through hydrological cycle. The hydrological cycle makes water a renewable resource. This is important for 1 mark question, children. Next, then why are we facing so much of scarcity of water? We are facing scarcity of water, children, because the availability of water is not uniform. We have got 3 reasons for it. First of all, its availability is not uniform because the only source of fresh water is rainfall, and rainfalls does not occur in the same amount in all the areas. If we talk about India only, we find that in Assam and northeastern states of the country, we find that rainfall is so heavy that every year these areas faces flood. Whereas, if we go to the western part of India, Rajasthan, some parts of Haryana, western part of Uttar Pradesh, there the rainfall is very scanty. They suffer very huge scarcity of water. Sometimes the women have to walk kilometers of area holding earthen pots on their head to fetch water. So, there is acute scarcity in some areas, whereas even if the flood comes, they have scarcity because everywhere they have water which is so dirty that it cannot be consumed. So, floods also, if it is coming, does not mean they have lot of water to drink. That water is not drinkable, it is very harmful. So, this is the reason that why there is water scarcity. Second reason is that we human beings do not treat it as a very essential resource. We think there is enough of water on the earth and we can waste as much as we want. That we have been doing since ages. We have been wasting water, and that is also one of the reasons that why water scarcity has resulted now these days. And it has been predicted by 2025, most of the parts of the India will face a huge water scarcity. One more reason is that unequal access to water among different social groups in India. Some of the social groups in India are treated to be unequal, they are treated to be low, and if they have their own ponds and lakes, and if their own ponds and wells dry up, they are not allowed to take water from the people, those who are considered to be higher in the hierarchical cycle, which are considered to be higher class of in the society. These are the 3 reasons. This is a 3 mark question which is important from the exam point of view. Then there are 2 types of water scarcity. One, because of the quantity of the water, the quantitative aspect of water scarcity. Quantitative aspect, when the quantity of the water is less, when the amount of the water is less, when rainfall has occurred in less amount, in that case this kind of water scarcity occurs. Second type of water scarcity is the qualitative water scarcity, when the quality of the water becomes deteriorated, it becomes so much polluted that it cannot be consumed by the human beings. So, there are 2 types of water scarcity, and we will deal in the next video regarding the reasons behind the quantitative water scarcity and the qualitative water scarcity. In this video, although it is an introduction to the chapter, I have dealt with 3 important parts. Okay. First is the renewability of the water depends upon the hydrological cycle. Second, how does the scarcity occurs, and third part is the 2 types of water scarcity. Children, these 3 are very important part of the chapter. Do go through the video and do like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.